Imagine you are writing application or several applications. To share code between them, you may need to use library or package. In some languages, it's different. So you have the library or package. But to install the library usually requires too much work, manual work. It's not just you install to package JSON or pubdev. Usually you need to configure, you need to inject the code to your codebase and just find out where it needs to land in your architecture. But in the same time, when you are working with just your phone, you can install any applications as simple as just clicking one button and it's installed and you can work with it. Why don't we just use that principle with AI agents and MCP? So the principle is simple. We use libraries as simple as apps. You can install, uninstall, update, configure application based on specific instructions developed for AI agent. AI agent could place the library and will know how to place it in your codebase. So it's working quite simple. You need to install MCP server and, for example, say, hey, install or create a plan to install specific library. Then MCP will give instructions how to properly not just add a new line to package JSON or pubspec, but to actually understand the context of your application and integrate it to your application. That's the idea of agentic executable framework, currently experimental, but if you have any idea and would like to test it, it would be great. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.